Hey there, shoe enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your Hey Dudes like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a soft brush, mild detergent, a clean cloth, and some warm water. Got it? Great. Step 1. Remove the laces and any insoles from your Hey Dudes. These parts need special attention and separate cleaning. Toss the laces and insoles into a small bowl filled with warm, soapy water. Let them soak while we move on to the next step. Step 2. Take your soft brush and gently remove any loose dirt or debris from your shoes. Be thorough but gentle, you don't want to damage that comfy fabric. Got rid of the surface dirt? Awesome! Next up, let's prepare our cleaning solution. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water. Use just enough soap to create a few suds. Dip your cloth into the soapy water and wring it out. You want the cloth to be damp, not soaking wet. Step 3. Gently scrub your Hey Dudes with the damp cloth. Focus on any stained or dirty areas, using small circular motions. If you come across any stubborn spots, don't be afraid to give them a little extra attention. Once you're satisfied with the cleaning, take a clean, damp cloth and wipe away any soap residue. This step is crucial to avoid any soapy buildup on your shoes. Now let's check on those laces and insoles. Give the laces a good rub to remove any dirt, then rinse them under warm water. Squeeze out the excess water and lay them flat to air dry. For the insoles, gently scrub them with your soapy cloth, rinse, and let them air dry as well. Finally, it's time to let your Hey Dudes dry. Stuff them with some paper towels to help maintain their shape and absorb moisture. Place them in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Patience is key here, my friends. Let them air dry completely. And there you have it. Clean, fresh. Hey Dudes ready to hit the streets again. Remember, regular cleaning will keep your shoes looking and feeling their best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome shoe care tips. Catch you next time.